So today we're going to take a look at how you can make smooth slow motion footage in Premiere Pro using normal videos, so typically something like about 30 frames per second, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. You can also use more higher frame rate footage like 60, but this is mainly if you want to smooth something out slower. Same applies if you're using a higher frame rate. So what I want to do is click on our clip that we already have on our timeline, and we can either press Command R, or if you're on Windows, Control R, or you can go up to Clip on the top bar, scroll down and click speed/duration. Once we're in here, it's going to bring up this little window. All we're going to do is we're going to put 50% in, because I feel like that's a decent amount for the frames that we have here. And one of the other things we're going to want to do is to smooth the footage out as nice as possible is down here in time interpolation. Click that drop down and click optical flow. Then we're going to click OK, and you can see it's a little bit stuttery, but we're going to fix that because of this effect. So all we do to fix that is we're just going to render this section out. So I'm just going to click render into out, or you can click a render selection if this is just one clip in your video. So as you can see now, our render has finished. We have our green line above our timeline here. And if we click play, you can see that the slow motion footage has really shown here an effect, and it's really smooth. If we take off the slow motion effect and we go back to the beginning of the video, that's how it used to originally run. I think the slow-mo looks really nice. Thanks for watching, please like, comment, subscribe, I'll see you next time.